Here I have Nissan Ariya Nismo, and let me show you how to enable or disable the welcome message. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Let's open the settings icon at the top of the screen. If you tap the settings icon, you can choose here edit user. So if your edit user's settings are opened, you can use one of the following features and settings, and one of them, the last one, is welcome message. You can disable or enable the welcome message here. So if you have this feature enabled, every time you start the car, the system will display a greeting like welcome or hello. And if you keep it off, the system skips the greeting and goes straight to the map or the last screen you were using. So in my case, let me keep this enabled. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and give thumbs up.